Hey everyone, this is Swapnil Singh and I am the founder of ISHVA AI. One of the biggest problems which I have seen that many businesses have spent his money on marketing for generating leads, and it's not a big problem. He generates leads easily, but the problem is that their sales team treat equally with all leads. They don't know like which leads should give a priority and call first. And you cannot imagine how this is a time consuming process if sales team will go manually analyze and qualify leads. To solve exact this problem, I have built this AI powered lead qualification and sales automation system, which will analyze and qualify more than 100 leads within few minutes. In this video now, let me show you how the system it will work. Okay. So here leads are coming from type form, but it can be from website, Meta, and Google Ads. Okay. So here like you can see starting point is a type form trigger. Okay. And like before submitting data on type forms, we need to click on type form trigger, and we have to be execute step. Okay. So that like it can be a trigger automatically. Okay. So now we have to go on type form, and here like you can see I have already filled all the fields, okay, as a dummy data, and we need to click on submit. Okay, so we will go on submit button, and we have to be submit. So here you can see when I will click on submit now, like you will see like how workflow will be triggered automatically. Okay, so yes, I am submitting, and now you can see like yes, and like workflow have triggered automatically, and it have fetched all the data from type form. Okay. And you can see also like it's fetching leads from Kabir Mehta, and like emails, company names, like everything I mentioned here. Okay. So next node is a code mapping node. So basically this node will be clean the data and also like extract the important details of leads. Okay, and it will send to a next node. And so we need to click on execute this node. Okay, so now you can see yes, so how like he have cleaned that all the data, and name is mentioned like Kabir Mehta, emails, company service, budget. So like everything have clean, and this is the important details of lead. Okay. So next node is the AI qualification node, which is the most important node. Okay. So basically this node will be analyze and qualify leads without taking any manual work. And also it will be generate lead score and classify this lead into hot, warm, and cold. So now let me click on execute step, and let's see like how it will be analyzed and qualified. Okay. So when I will click on execute, and now you can see like it's executing, and definitely like it will be qualify the leads easily. Okay. So yes, you can see, yeah, like you can see, and I have qualified these leads without taking any much times. Okay. So you can see lead score is 87 and classification is hot. So that means like this is the high intent leads. So now you have seen how this AI have qualified these leads without taking any manual work within few seconds. So next node is a JavaScript scoring node. So basically this node now will be converted AI output into a JSON, okay, so that it can be reaches to all leads. And now you can see the output lead score, classification, region, and recommended actions. And sales team also can check a region, and he can understand like why this lead is a high intent leads. So next node is the HubSpot CRM node. Basically, this node will be save and store that leads automatically into HubSpot as a new contact. Okay. So now let me execute this node, and let's see like how it will be appear in the HubSpot. Okay. So it have executed, and let's go on the HubSpot and check. So here these are leads, and here we have to find Kabir Mehta leads. Okay. So yes, it's a Kabir Mehta leads, and we have to click on this link, and now let me show you how all the property are appearing here. Okay. So we just click on view all properties, and now you can see like this is every property of Kavi Mehta leads. Okay. So classifications, company names, emails, okay, and names, lead scores, lead status is a new lead, and just below you can also see like meeting status AI is a not scheduled. Like every property have available here, so sales team can check and update easily here. Okay. So next node is the first filter node, and after qualify leads, if lead will be hot, so this both node will be a work. Okay. And this is the second filter node, and it will be work for warm and cold lead. So if lead will be warm, so this both node will be executed. In case like if lead will be a cold, so this both node will be executed for cold lead. Okay. And And for warm and cold lead, this is not a end. And also like warm and cold lead will be nurtured into next process. And I have already built the nurturing workflow automations for warm and cold. And I will show in the next video, okay, how it will be converted into warm and hot. Okay. So first of all, like I have to be click on first filter. Okay. So let's see like what qualified leads will be hot and warm. Okay. So yeah, it's showing like it's hot lead, and then like this both node will be execute. And this is a Slack node and this is a email node. Okay, so Slack node basically works like to send an instant notification to a sales. Okay, so when I will be execute the Slack node, and then let's see like how it will be send notification to a sales team. Okay, so after executing the Slack node, let's move on Slack, and let's see like how the notification will be appear. So now you can see like these are the notifications and all the lead important details are available. Okay, so when the sales team will be watch this notification, he can understand like what kind of leads are coming, and what he should take action. Okay, and he don't need to visit to watch each leads into HubSpot. Okay, and the next node is the email node. Basically this node will be send personalized email to a hot leads. Okay, so when this node will be execute, let's see like what kind of personalized emails will send to a hot leads. And yes, so email node will be executed, and now we need to refresh, and let's see like what kind of emails. And yeah, so you can see these emails have generated here, and these are a personalized email. And also this is the meeting link. Okay, if the hot leads will be click on this link now, he can also like schedule and book meeting according to date and times. Okay, so let's see like he can choose for examples like date, and also he can select time, and once it will be click on next, so meeting will be scheduled and book. Okay, so here the most benefit of this workflow automation is that sales team don't need to spend much our time to analyze and qualify leads. Okay, he will give focus on sales effort on high intent prospect. So if you are manually reviewing leads and your sales team is wasting a time on low intent prospect, so send me a DM. I would be happy to show you how this system can work for your businesses. Thanks for watching.